Hello, team. Today we're talking about safety, more specifically, our Injury and Illness Prevention Program, or IIPP. Before this starts to sound like another compliance training, let's make it practical. Around here, safety isn't paperwork, it's how we work. In our environment, CNC machining, forklifts, sharp tooling, heavy materials, chips, chemicals, welding, electrical systems, and moving equipment, risk is part of the job. The goal is simple. Everyone goes home safe at the end of the day, not because we got lucky, because we paid attention, worked safely, and looked out for one another. Safety is everyone's responsibility. Leadership, supervisors, engineers, machinists, operators, quality, office staff, everyone. If you see something unsafe, say something. If something doesn't feel right, ask. And if conditions change or something feels unsafe, stop and get help. That's not slowing work down. That's doing the job responsibly. There's another important concept we expect everyone to understand here. Stop the job. If something feels unsafe, conditions have changed, or something simply doesn't look right, stop. Ask questions, get support, escalate the concern. And this applies to both safety and quality. No schedule, machine, or deadline is more important than protecting people or doing the job correctly. So how does safety actually work here? We manage safety through what we call our safety pillar. This is the system we use to identify risk, improve conditions, and continuously strengthen workplace safety. You'll hear about our safety team, safety suggestions, and daily safety activities designed to identify concerns before incidents happen. The people closest to the work often see risk first. That's why we encourage safety suggestions. If you see an opportunity to improve safety or reduce risk, use it. Safety-related suggestions are routed directly to the safety team for review and disposition, because small improvements often prevent bigger problems. We also use what we call a SIF, a safety incident form. A SIF is used to report injuries, near misses, unsafe conditions, or events that could have caused harm. If an injury occurs, report it immediately to your manager and complete a SIF so the details are documented. Maybe something almost happened. Equipment failed, a trip hazard appeared, or something simply didn't look right. Report it, because reporting isn't about blame. It's about prevention. The best time to solve a problem is before someone gets hurt. You'll also hear us talk about Smub-wah, safety management by walking around. This means leaders regularly spend time on the floor observing work, listening to concerns, and improving safety. And every morning, we conduct GEMBA walks that include safety discussions. Managers, production, engineering, and quality walk the floor together to identify concerns early and improve communication. Not to police people, but to solve problems before they become incidents. That's proactive safety. For higher-risk work, we also use JHA, Job Hazard Analysis. JHA help us think through risk before work starts, heavy lifting, maintenance work, non-routine activities, new equipment. Taking a few minutes to think through the job can prevent a much bigger problem later. When hazards are identified, we work to correct them and prevent them from happening again. You'll also receive additional safety training based on your role, equipment, and workplace hazards. In an emergency, follow site procedures and direction from supervisors or safety team members. At the end of the day, safe workplaces aren't built by policies alone. They're built by people paying attention, speaking up, and looking out for one another. Safety is not a department. It's how we work. and everyone has a role in it. Thank you.
If you have any questions or need further clarification, please reach out to the author of this training. You can contact Robert Gallegos, Director of Quality and Engineering. Questions are always encouraged, because a well-understood system is a controlled system.